last day here in Bourbon Town, Louisville, Kentucky. Just wanted to show you around the last little part of our condo that we stayed in. Here's some of the things I really like about this place is the high ceilings. And you can see that they left it all just like original and just added some electrical conduit for the electric, the lights and stuff, which is really cool. I like the dark colors. It's kind of has a man's cave feel in here. The couch is like a fairly new, I think it's like, it looks very new, leather sofa. And huge, a lot of room for lounging around. We have a interesting art. We have a rhinestone deer head on the wall, which is kind of interesting. Coming over here is just some more, I don't know, just knickknacks. There's some games down there as well to play via board. This is the kitchen. It's got a full-size refrigerator. As nice as they stocked it with a little bit of water for us. Freezer has plenty of ice. And then the coffee maker is great because they have a Keurig in here with lots of coffee. And they have some teas and sugars and a toaster for breakfast or whatever you want to do. Dishwasher, which is kind of cool for a loft kind of place. You don't see that too much. Full-size stove and microwave, which is really kind of cool. So you have everything you need in here to survive for a while. Looks like you come here and live here for a week really easy. Now we're only here for 3 nights, and it was plenty. They had lots of everything that we needed, including like coffee, lots of all the toiletries that we need. So we didn't have to run to the store and buy anything, which was really nice. Again, I really like the high ceilings in here. It gives it just a real roomy, cool feel. The floor is interesting because it's painted with, I don't know, metallic red kind of paint, which is really kind of cool because it still holds to that industrial kind of feel. This is the table, and they had it fully stocked. We actually ate half of the snacks that were in there, so it was way more full than that. And then there's another seating area over here. Underneath this TV, of which, by the way, has lots of movie channels I saw, like regular TV through Fire Stick and HBO. So that's kind of cool. What I was saying about underneath this is this actually pulls out, and it's kind of cool. There's a Murphy bed in here. Let me just get rid of this. I'll show you what this thing does. So it's electric. You just push the button and the bed comes out. It's super cool. Takes a little time. There's linens in a closet. And then you just make the bed and your third person gets to sleep out here. So this thing, I think that this condo would hold, well, a total of 6 people. Because you have 2 per queen size bed if you wanted to. We did 3 adults. My brother Richard and my nephew Aaron stayed here. And it was comfortable. They did do a little bit of construction downstairs on our first night, so the first night was a little bit rough. But other than that, all the construction, the noisy part went away. It just sounded like my cell phone going off in vibro mode at night. This is the view. Looking out over the city, that's a parking lot that's just next door. And then on the other side of the block is the Louisville Slugger factory and museum, which was really cool. I enjoyed that. I'll do another part on that so we can see a little bit of the Louisville Slugger. And then we went on bourbon tours of the rest of this stay. So we walk in right here through the door. It comes into this back bedroom kind of area. And we slept here last night, so it's not perfect right now. So it's got 2. I think these are queen size beds. And what's interesting is these are like Murphy beds. They're electric. They roll up into the back there. These were already open. I didn't try to close them. I don't even know if they do close. But it's got kind of a cool look. If you look up on the ceiling, it's concrete ceiling, and they get some cool kind of artwork on the walls. A very interesting color. The floor is like painted concrete, like with a really high gloss, shiny coating on it. It's kind of interesting, but it's kind of cool decor. Or here's the bathroom, and it's not a bad bathroom. It's got a shower tub combo. But what's nice is they have soap dispensers. They get everything you need here. So it's kind of the way this thing looks. Over here it's got the full-size laundry. It's got an ironing board, so you can do your laundry while you're here. Some fun facts on this building. Let's see what we find. So this building is the Snead Manufacturing Company. It was built in 1850, or it says from 1850 to 1901. At least 7 different glass manufacturers operated out of this location. Looks like they were all glass companies. In 1850 was the first glass bottle and jar making firm, known as Kentucky Glass Works. Fascinating. Oh, here, this is kind of cool. Here's a cool fact. Louisville Glass Works is the actual wording on some of their embossed whiskey flasks of the 1850s and 1860s. 1896, Edwin Pinna began operation and has gone under 5 generations of Pinna ownership. So where the Pinnas are, they own this building, and they were doing glass as well. Since 2012, the Louisville Glassworks building has been the home of the Flame Run Glass Studio, which is downstairs. We saw that yesterday. It was cool. And Gallery, who relocated there from their previous location in the Lulu district. I'm sorry, Nulu district. I think I understand Nulu. Right, that was, there's a bourbon called Nulu that we went to that. Nulu, I believe, is New Louisville. Is short for New Louisville. I think that's what it is, I don't know. The foundry of the Glassworks and various other businesses on their top floors. So, and I know we noticed that yesterday when we were coming up, the door opened on the 3rd floor, which was businesses, which is kind of interesting. So the whole bottom floor is businesses, and it must be the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th floor, yeah. And then everything above it are these condo units, which were kind of cool. All right, anyways, a little bit of history on the building. Fun facts. Always fun to have fun facts. Okay, in Kentucky today, it's in this whole week, it's been cold, in the 30s. Trees are starting to change, which is kind of nice. This is the outside of the building. I'll see if I can walk across the street. We can see the whole thing. But I want to walk down here to where we can see the glass company and where they do their glass blowing. The Flame Run, it's called. This is kind of cool. I didn't get any pictures of it yesterday when they were doing some work. Looks like they're getting ready to work now. That's their ovens going for the glass. Kind of cool. All right, around the corner is the Louisville Slugger Museum, and
where they make bats. So, and it was quite cool. We went there. It was fun. This guy's gonna be a little bit loud for us here because he's blowing the sidewalks. It's kind of cool. So there's the building. Night 1850. So that building is from the 1850s. So that is an old building. Definitely very industrial. I don't know which one's ours up there. I know we had a cracked window, so I can look for the cracked window up there and tell which one's ours. Remember the 7th, oh, I think I see it. 7th floor, the second to the top was ours. So the Snead manufacturing building. All right, so this is our stay. This is where we rented this through Airbnb. I'll put a link to this down below in our description on how to find this condo. But it was really neat. We really enjoyed it.